Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Naviball on the ONYX Boox Go 6. So the Naviball is like a navigation tool that you can use on your ONYX Boox to help you navigate through it. So if you want to enable it, the first thing that we're going to do is go to the Apps tab. And then we're going to find the Naviball. So there it is. Let's tap on it. And this is where you can enable it. So enable Naviball. You have this toggle. Let's press on it to turn it on. And as you can see, a little circle popped up on the bottom of our screen. You can also drag it to place it anywhere else that you want. And now once you tap on it, you're going to have all of these options pop up. And you can use them to enable the AI assistant, crop screenshots, and do pretty much anything. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.